Are you active on LinkedIn, or do you merely use LinkedIn to send and accept invites and grow your connections? Is that all it takes to make use of LinkedIn and influence the decision makers? Not at all. LinkedIn as a platform really needs to be understood in detail for you to make use and meet your goal of getting that interview call. We'll learn how to use LinkedIn as a platform to increase your network and influence decision makers and hiring managers. Why is the summary so important in a LinkedIn profile? Worldwide research shows that a reader normally spends the maximum time on the summary as compared to other parts of the profile. You need to have a profile and a summary which should brand you. So your summary, when it is read by a recipient or a reader, he should feel tempted to meet you or positively connect with you. That's critical to influence the hiring managers. And my experience says that 90% of the profiles which are written don't have a good summary, don't have an impactful summary, and you lose that opportunity to gain attention. Either you write a summary which is powerful and brand yourself, or differentiate yourself by getting it done through a professional LinkedIn profile writer.